Hi, I'm Tracy with Sawyer. I just wanted to go over a few tips for operation and maintenance for the crawler. For this demonstration, I'll be using our custom machine clear crawler on our test pipe. To properly set up the crawler, the legs must be pointed to the center of pipe so the wheels can travel without resistance. Think of it as a slice of pizza. The bigger the pipe, the smaller the angle. The smaller the pipe, the bigger the angle. Once you've positioned your legs to the correct angle to the center of pipe, you want to tighten these screws so that way you retain retention on the legs. That way the crawler stays true to the center of pipe. It's important to get the correct tension on your springs so that way the crawler doesn't slip during operation. It's also important not to over tighten and damage the spring. Spring tension will need to be adjusted with use. To begin, the spring should be tightened 1/3 of the total compression. Increase the tension over time as the drive wheels begin to wear. Once the tension spring is completely compressed, send the crawler in for replacement. If you're having trouble with your crawler slipping, you want to check your drive wheel or your retention spring. If you need repairs, you can call us or you can send your crawler in for a full refurbish. It's important to keep your crawler lubricated, but it's also important not to over-grease your crawler because excess grease can leak out onto your components. For a link to the video of how to properly grease your crawler, see the link below. If you're having trouble with your torch holder retaining your torch, it's probably caused from normal wear and tear. You can call Sawyer Manufacturing for replacement parts. We do have these on the shelves and ready to go. And just as a reminder, 100% of Sawyer crawlers are made here in the United States.